David and Meg, that's right. It was certainly an emotional day inside of that courtroom for the victim's family, the defendants, and the defendants' families, as the judge had to decide whether these 4 teens would be sentenced as adults or juveniles.
The proposal for juvenile sentencing is rejected.
After much consideration and testimony from experts, Judge Joseph Farah says 4 of the Clio rock throwers will be sentenced as adults. Mark Sikelski, McCaden Payne, Trevor Gray, and Alexander Miller all pled guilty to manslaughter for the death of Kenneth White, who was killed in 2017. Prosecutors say the 4 were with Kyle Anger when Anger threw a rock from the I-75 overpass, killing White. Farah spoke in court today about how he came to this decision, reading Snapchat discussions between the teens that showed little remorse.
Lay low for a while and everything will be fine. Only way you get in trouble is if a, and I won't say the word, spelled rats, so you better hope he didn't give in already, or else we're going to the slammer.
After the decision was read, we talked to Kenneth White's mother, Teresa Simpson.
Yes, I'm very pleased with it. My prayers were answered. Kenneth's prayers were answered. I'm ecstatic over the decision that was made today.
Defense attorney Frank Manley says it's back to the drawing board when it comes to what's next.
But there's no winners. We started at the beginning of this. There's no winners. You have a person who was, his life was taken. Now we have 4 young boys whose lives may be taken. So to sit here and say that this is somehow a win for one side or the other, it's not. It's very sad all across the board.
Now, all of the teens have the option to take back their plea since they weren't granted that sentencing as juveniles. Now, Anger, who was 18 at the time of the incident, is already being prosecuted as an adult, and the next hearing for this will be on August 20th. In Flint, Rachel McCrary, WNEM TV 5.